So today is our second lecture, that is about etymology of pharmacology. So first we'll understand the meaning of the word. What is etymology? So etymology means study of origin of words. This is the study of origin of words. So what kind of origin we are talking about? That origin may be in Greek language, Greek origin, Latin origin, that could be French origin, or even Sanskrit origin. So etymology is the study of origin of words. Origin could be Greek origin, Latin origin, French or Sanskrit origin. These origins, they are known as dead language. They are known as dead languages. Why these are known as dead languages? Because they do not undergo change. They do not undergo change. It means in these languages, one word has one meaning. One word has one meaning. For example, pharmacology and pharmacokinetic, pharmacodynamic. In all these three words, pharmacon means drug. So dead languages are those languages which do not undergo change. In these languages, one word has only one meaning. Pharmacology, pharmacokinetic, pharmacodynamic, pharmacon. In all these words, pharmacon means drug only. So, in case of English and Hindi, these two languages are not dead languages. They are not dead languages. Because in case of English or Hindi, one word has more than one meaning. That is multiple meaning of one word. But in case of dead languages, one word has only one meaning. These languages do not undergo a change. So what are these languages? Greek, Latin, French and Sanskrit. So these four are important in pharmacology point of view. So in pharmacology, we'll see what are the examples that comes under these origin or these languages. So these are some of the example of words and the languages, dead languages from where they belongs to. So for example, Greek language. So these are the words which comes under the Greek language, means the origin of these words is from the Greek language. For example, pharmacy, pharmacology, pharmacokinetic, pharmacodynamic, pharmacotherapeutics, pharmacognosy, toxicology, posology, pharmacopoeias. So these words have origin from the Greek language. Then in Latin, these are three words which have Latin origin: materia medica, prescription and symbol for the treatment. French origin, there is one example, that is drug, and this is derived from the French word drogue, which means a dry herb. Then in Sanskrit, there is one example, Ayurveda, which is derived from the Sanskrit origin. So Ayush means life, Veda means science. So the etymology of this Ayurveda is science of life. So these are some of the examples of the origin of word from different languages. And these origin of the words is known as etymology. So our topic was etymology of pharmacology. So we'll see from this example what is the etymology of pharmacology. So our topic was etymology of pharmacology. Etymology means origin of word. Which word? Pharmacology word. So the origin is the Greek origin and it originated from two words. Pharmakon means drug. Logos means study or science. So I can write etymologically pharmacology is study of drugs or science of drug. Science of drugs. So what is pharmacology? Etymologically means from origin, origin point of view. Pharmacology is study of drugs or science of drugs. From these two words which are of Greek origin, that is your etymology of pharmacology.